Oh wait, if you doing talking shop and doing the marketing gimmick, I didn't do. I don't think I do
Oh
music.
yeah, oh yeah, Malik, do your gimmick.
All right, let me do my gimmick here for a minute. um, ladies and gentlemen, the man that you hear right now is the determination machine. The former VW World Champion, the man, the myth, the legend. I have my own channel, Danger Zone Incorporated, which was the home of Battle Pro, but D-Wall now holds on to Battle Pro, but I still am a contributing member of the VWU. I also have a Twitch channel in which I play video games and do overall a lot of things. It is www.twitch.com/Loudman the Third. You should go check it out.
Did it? Did it?
Check
Did
it
it?
out.
Did
You have a great time.
Allow me the third.
Plug yourself.
Loudman the Third.
I just realized now that that's where you got the inspiration from, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay.
I gotta be heading over to another corner bit because I'm doing the pod tonight with Sahira and Adam.
Oh yeah, the Four Corner Massacre podcast.
Yeah, make sure you give that a listen.
Yeah, listen to it.
Only because of Hitkid. No.
We're talking about how the GCW world burned this past weekend.
Oh. When
Spoilers for the episode.
woo 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 woo, you know it.
Getting the deathmatch king. I mean, that's legitimately what you have to say. Became the king of the deathmatch.
And you know
But-
what? I have no problem with that.
I'm out for the Chicago Summit in September. The first time ever in the history of doing war games to finally settle the issue between GCW and 440. That's gonna be fucking amazing.
I would say Moxley was the king of the death match, but his old reign kind of fizzled out.
I'm not touching that one with a 40-foot pole. Yoshi train.
Yoshi Joshi train.
Run, Yoshi, run.
Scooch! Scooch! Oh god!
Anyway, we all okay?
Yep.
Define okay.
Relaxed.
And all those who are watching this, hope you
No,
all enjoy.
no!
Oh, no. Hope you're. Oh, well,
There's a
no.
death.
I was gonna say, hope you all enjoyed VW Prestige.
It was a very good show, if I do say so myself.
But it lacked.
Fade.
But it lacked a lot of Joshi matches.
God damn it. We ain't
But it had the
sure.
Joshi title on the line. Yeah, but need more
Well-
Joshi.
I presume we're going to be all uploading gaming videos to this channel eventually.
Yep.
Yep.
That's the plan.
Oh, yeah.
I am driving backwards.
Yeah, we should tell Hitkid what happens if we reach 40 subscribers.
If we reach 40 subscribers, I will play the non-canon game in the series.
Oh no, you can't put yourself through that.
If we get 40 subscribers by the end of next month.
We're not getting 40 subs by the end of next month.
I might actually promote the channel now and tell everyone to subscribe.
No!
You know what? I think I'm gonna do that right now in the ROP server.
No!
Like, comment, subscribe.
No, I don't want to be miserable.
Push, push.
That means I have to buy the damn game too. I have it for the PS3, but my PS3 is no longer with us.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace, PlayStation 3. Oh, you
I
can
still
always,
have my play.
you always try emulation. hear the PlayStation 3 emulator is actually really good.
I think the game's actually.
I've already started the promotion, by the way, in the ROP server.
Oh no.
To see
Oh,
a
no.
slew of what do you call it?
Oh no.
Ding, 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 subscriber.
No.
Hey, you made the promise.
I did.
Why did you do that?
He made it on recording that if you edit out, I will hurt you.
Oh my god.
I won't. Send me your side of the recording when you can.
So, hey, before you popped in, we were discussing what kind of Pokemon team our online personalities would have. We went through me and Malik, and we were just on Jason. I cracked a joke saying it'd be 5 dragons and an Alolan Ninetales.
I think I know what type of Pokemon I would have.
Okay, let's hear your hit team,
Kingdra?
Hitkid. Longer.
I've not been through the whole, animations and all that, from time to time, but I know something. I think what my starting Pokemon would actually be an Umbreon. Crazy as that sounds, the dark evolution of Eevee.
I mean,
Yeah.
technically, it is a starter Pokemon if we're going by Coliseum.
Yeah, because I think I would definitely, own one of them.
And let's go Eevee.
Yeah, also Eevee is the cutest thing ever. I'm mischievous, so I would have a Meowth. Gotta say it. I would have a Meowth.
So a Persian.
Yep. I would need to have a good fighter with me. For me, I've always been more of a Hitmonlee than a Hitmonchan. So I'm going classic here, okay?
Okay.
You guys still recording?
By the way,
VWU
I'm
gaming channel.
making
Yes.
me and Malik both. I'm making this a rule since me and Malik both had one. Hitkid, you gotta pick one Mega Evolver.
Mega Evolver. That's a Mega
Oh,
Evolution, ain't it?
Yep.
Just trying to.
You know what?
Pokemon.
I think I have the.
It's because I haven't done it, for a while, so I have to look up the list. Don't want to be rude.
Wait, is that Baby Mario?
Yes, it is.
Malik had Pinsir and I had Scizor.
I guess if I'm going with a Mega Evolver, I'll go with the classic, okay?
Damn it.
And someone who could help me, who I would struggle with, but I would also argue with and have fun with, okay?
Okay, what you got?
So actually, no, there's one which actually fits my personality. I need something, to rule the sea, don't I?
The
Uh-oh.
Kraken.
Give me the Mega Evolved Gyarados.
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 Yeah, give me the Mega Evolved Gyarados to rule the
Oh,
sea.
you're talking about Pokemon, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, give me the Mega Evolved Gyarados to rule the
Yeah,
sea.
Gym Pokemon.
So I need one more.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
You need 3 more. That's 3.
Select all the Gym Pokemon.
Don't
Pingu.
forget, it's a team of 6. That's your full party is 6.
Okay. Give me a Charmander, which I'll probably, evolutionize all the way to Charizard. Classic. You can never go wrong with a classic. Because the Charmander is, cures anything. Then I would go with another Dark type Pokemon because I like Dark, and I would actually want to. What do you call it? A Fighting Dark.
Ooh, I think I know who you're talking about, but I can't remember the name of it.
I know the name. I'm just looking up the name now. What's he called? What's he called, for fuck's sake? I know who I'm on about. Oh yeah, give me a Sorura. Which then turns into, Sorak.
Do, do.
And then, am I on? How many have I got left? Two, I believe, or one.
You got one left.
Give me a green ninja.
I don't think there is a fighting dark type.
I'll give you a green ninja.
Okay, Greninja.
Yeah, and that's my team.
That's a water dark type.
Yeah, that's my team though. Now I haven't really got a fire user, but I could maybe get someone. Let me see if people getting stuff. Jason, we're up to 11.
What?
We're up to 11.
Oh no.
We're
Oh,
up to
no.
11.
You made the bed, Jason.
No.
You made the bed.
No.
Now let's see if you can live with the consequences of your actions.
Let me see how much it's going for. Oh, god damn it.
Still got 29 more yet.
Oh, Pangoro. That's what you said. You said Pangoro.
Mhm. Hold on, I'm not done shilling this shit to try and ruin Jason. I'm a
right,
horrible human being, aren't I?
He's finally here. Let's figure out V-Pac's team now. All right. V-Pac's Pokemon team. Well, his starter Pokemon would be the perfect one for him to start off with, and that would be a Chatot.
Bulbasaur.
It was on 6 and now it's on 12, Jason. I've doubled their subscriber count.
Okay, so V-Pac wants a Bulbasaur, so that means that's his Mega Revolver. It's going to be a Mega Venusaur.
Get it?
Bulbasaur! Shit!
Yeah.
That was my first Pokemon when I played Pokemon Blue.
Oh yeah,
okay,
V.
so then...
What game are you gonna play for the channel?
I don't know.
What game do y'all want me to play for the channel, if I could ask?
It's up to you.
That's for you. Yeah, that's up to you.
Because when I play video games, you know I'm foul-mouthed. I will swear a lot on these video games.
Honestly, the only thing we're gonna say that you should do is be in the
I
call with us.
know. I know. I know exactly what I'll play.
Yes.
Street Fighter 2.
Ah,
The from the anniversary collection.
okay.
That's fair.
So I have to figure out how to do it with work at OBS with it because I only know how to use the Elgato one.
Damn it! I need more hops.
You can hear me rage. You can hear me rage as I try to play the game.
Now, what would be your goal for your Street Fighter playthrough?
Beating an arcade of it.
I've got a game. I've actually got a game, which will not be.
And then I think my next game after that may be Guacamelee.
Oh, that's actually a really good one.
There we go. Because I've been playing that and I've been kind of enjoying it.
I could be playing either some of the classics. I will be happy to do a walkthrough through, because I have them on my PS4, the original Jak and Daxter. But I could also do some games which are a bit more unknown. Okay.
Yep.
When you do that, when you do Jak and Daxter, I better be in the call for that.
Yeah.
So I can tell you how to play.
Very funny.
How the fuck do I get up there?
I think a game I could live.
Oh,
stream
what
on
about? Wait a minute. Weren't you and Charles supposed to play a game together?
Thought about it, but never really pulled off. I definitely think I could play though. What do you call it? You want to know a game we should all get to play together? I just thought
What?
of it right now.
What?
Little Big Planet.
Yeah. You know what needs to be played on this channel?
Fortnite.
No.
What the fuck, V?
Okay. I thought I would just a
I-
suggestion.
And I know Hitkid will be very happy to hear this suggestion. How about Monopoly?
Y'all
No.
wanna lose? Y'all wanna
How
lose?
about I don't know, how about Uno?
Y'all wanna lose again?
Yes, 'cause that's what people want to see. They want to see us sitting around playing cards all day.
No, it's not really about the cards. It's about us.
Hey, we
fighting.
definitely should do a Monopoly because people would love to see us fight. But Di, one day you need to set up a Project 64 with Pyrosec for all of us.
Oh yeah, and do
The one game that really does end friendships.
Yes, well, I will be
GTA
back in a
races?
second. I can check on my beautiful fiance.
GTA races?
Not
no
just that,
Mario Party.
Oh shit.
That could be. You know what? If Jason's doing slide 4 for that, there is a game I will co-op with someone in this call, and it's one of my most hated games of all time.
What is it?
If we reach 50 subscribers, I don't know if I'll be able to do it with Charles because he's, you know, stupid and all that.
Jesus.
I
Going straight to the point.
Okay, I will co-op. Can't believe I'm saying this. Resident Evil 5.
You're gonna
you hate
co-op
Resident
it
Evil
with me,
5?
aren't you?
What?
You hate Resident Evil 5?
Yes! It's a piece of shit.
Oh, speaking of Resident Evil, wait. Oh, MTV left. I was about to say, damn it, MTV, we still have to finish. Hey,
Something I do promise on what do you call it, on the Hitkid Worldwide channel, but also maybe even on this channel. Dead Space.
Ooh.
the
I'll do
original or the
one.
remake?
I'll here hit just as an
Yeah.
idea. Do you want to do Dead Space on the VW Gaming, or would you rather do it on your channel?
The new one I might do on the VWU Gaming, okay?
Okay. The
Yeah,
remake you'll
let's-
do on yours.
Yeah, because the newer one will help the channel grow.
So, I was thinking, if I get around to it, I could post highlights from your stream.
Yeah.
Like the
Oh,
compilations of you getting scared and shit.
Yeah,
There's another game.
I will definitely do that.
There's another game I can co-op people with.
Yes.
Lego Avengers.
I'll actually happily co-op Lego game.
This is the
I don't
Pokemon
like
slash.
Lego.
We're talking about the
This-
future, people. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, make sure you get to 40 so Jason has to play slide 4.
God damn it.
40 is the goal.
How many subscribers do we got now?
I doubled it. It was on 6, now it's on 12.
Ah.
Oh god, look at this big chungus over here.
V-Pac, promote it through your
Oh, look at that motherfucker.
V-Pac,
You know, if you
promote it
eat.
through your UCWL channel, please.
Oh yeah, if I
Yeah.
eat them, I'll get a big
Okay.
egg.
Yes.
I'll
Look at that.
promote it on the pre-show.
This is actually my favorite. This is actually my favorite level.
Really?
Yeah.
Just because of the big chungus.
A big chungo that mate.
Because it's funny as fuck.
Oh.
Fuck. I got shot at. These lactoses ain't
We
playing
need a
around.
logo.
We need a logo. We need everything right now.
Need a Patreon, need a PayPal, we need a.
And OnlyFans.
If we
wait,
all,
what?
if we got a Patreon for VW, what the hell will we do with it?
Something.
On top of that, how will we divide who gets what?
I don't know.
I don't know. It just sounded like a
know.
good idea.
We'll figure out if that ever happens.
Look, we're
Yeah.
still trying to figure out what we're playing on the channel.
We're trying to figure out the channel in general.
Yep.
Do you expect us to figure out where all this money is gonna go to that we won't make? Look at that big
Eat the chi-
motherfucker.
Eat the chunguses. Eat them.
Yes.
Look at that egg.
I'm
All
happy.
I'm gonna say is we're having fun.
There
Eat,
we go.
eat another one.
I have shared it on the UCWL Discord page.
Oh no.
Sorry, Jason.
I mean, on the V-Pac Entertainment page.
That's a big
Which I
egg.
hope to which I hope to do a hangout in there one day, and hopefully encourage all the other voice actors to get involved.
And encourage them to shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Alright, let's get
And I
back.
hope you will all be respectful to them
We will.
When are we
and
disrespectful?
not
V?
do anything that we do anything.
We look. We'll be respectful to them. We're not making any promises about you.
You
Kidding.
better not do that
Kid.
stupid thing MTB's doing.
We won't. We won't. We'll even tell them not to do it.
That's the bottom line. End of story. Period.
I bet he doesn't even know what birria tacos are.
You're gonna hold on to that grudge forever, aren't you?
No, if he knew what it was, he wouldn't be calling them that.
No. He would still be calling it because he knows how because he knows how it angers you.
Pisses you off. That's why he calls it that.
Why
He
I'm-
does. He does it. He does it because he's a troll.
King of
Yeah,
trolls, do it all again.
I know MTV likes to troll.
He's a troll who lives under the bridge. Oh god, I made that big fat chungus kill that tiny little thing. Poor little guy.
Poor little feller.
Oh, poor little fella.
Oh, get the little shit. Get Charles. He won't stop crying.
Yeah, he's gonna rat.
Everyone in the comments below, hashtag Charles cries.
Hashtag Charles sucks.
Charles Schultz? More like Charles sucks. Am I right? No wonder why
We
he
love
hangs out in the ROV server.
We love you, Charles. Actually, no, we don't.
We tolerate you, Charles.
We tolerate you.
Some days.
I'll be back in a bit, y'all.
Alright.
This has been a very productive episode.
Oh yeah, I know. Everyone talking about their favorite Pokemon and all that shit.
Hey, at least it might get the crowd engaged and everything. Are you all having fun? I don't know if you all.
You know, this is a very good show. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, whoa, Joshi.
Seriously can't put the Matos voice.
Hey.
No, I'll be back.
Get the car. Get the little car. Now it's just down to you, me, and what else? Whatever else is here.
I'm here.
Oh.
Damn it.
Yeah, I'm here.
Do 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 do.
Wow, where'd everybody else go?
Doing
Hitkid
shit, I
went
think.
back to the Nudon server.
Yay!
Well, we're on to the.
And there's like 9 worlds in this game, I think.
Mm-hmm. That means 9 episodes.
No, do 2 episodes apiece because it's been taking me about an hour to get through them. So
True.
we're gonna say 18 episodes.
18 episodes? Okay. Yeah, we'll split them up.
Yeah, we're splitting up by 30-minute increments. Oh man. Oh.
Oh man, Scoop.
Oh shit.
Zoinks!
Zoinks.
Zoinks.
Oh man.
There's like too many women in here. I can't clap enough cheeks.
Watch this, watch this. Oh, MLG strats, bro.
Has anyone ever brought Shaggy in the call?
I'm sure people have. I think SCAW's done it.
V-Pac, you're the SCAW mark. Have they?
Shaggy from Scooby Doo? No.
Yeah.
SMF, on the other hand, they did.
Well, I mean, portray him, I guess, as a more serious character, or I guess in a more serious league.
No, not that I know.
Look, little man, your power level ain't even on my level.
Job well done. You've made me use 1% of my power.
I use some bitches. Okay. Sure, we've got to do this.
Okay. Oh, we in the scary sewers. This is where them damn turtles live.
Toils.
Turtles.
Oh, yeah, Toils.
For those who don't know, I played the voice of Bebop. Turtle.
Of the cowboy variety.
Yes, I am actually Spike Spiegel.
Interstellar with his retrieval.
Howdy, y'all.
Howdy. Y'all.
I'm also the voice of Randall Taggart.
Yo, dude, we're not supposed to
And
break
you're
the fourth
also
wall.
the voice of the Condiment King.
Dude, you're not supposed to break the fourth wall. No one's supposed to know this.
This is the gaming channel. We can break the fourth wall. We can bend the fourth wall over and make it our bitch.
God damn it. Doesn't anybody understand the art of kayfabe?
Kayfabe's been dead.
It's so real to me, god damn it.
So real to me, damn it. Hmm?
I actually forgot about that. So that means I gotta go back and I have son of a bitch. Let's try this way. Cause I gotta get a key.
Yeah, you gotta get a key to clap them cheeks. Uh-oh. Bomb!
Ooh. Ah!
Evil flower. Uh-oh.
Everything's. I don't trust anything anymore.
Don't trust that flower.
You
Ah!
son of a taint.
Oh, you son of a tight! Uh-oh. Whew. That was scary. That chair broke that. Oh.
Can I swallow that?
You can't.
That's stupid. Aw, you son of a whore.
Right in the patukas. Right in the ears.
Aha.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Get that little shit. Evil flower.
I'll just stay far away. Collect my egg.
Do 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 do. You know, with those eggs following Yoshi, are they considered alive?
I mean, not anymore.
do they hold the spirits of whatever you eat?
I'm surprised there's just no yolk in them when you know, shoot them at stuff. Most eggs come with egg yolk, right?
Yeah.
What the fuck is there no? Oh, what if I wanted an omelet?
What if I wanted some green eggs and ham?
Yeah, exactly. I got the green eggs. I just need to get the green ham. You know. Actually, you know what's funny?
Yeah.
It's just thinking about it. It's called green eggs and ham, but it doesn't specify if the ham specifically is green as well. The
I mean,
eggs
that's
are green.
true. I mean, that's true. I think. Yeah. There you go. The aimbot. Aimbot enabled.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Welcome back. We were just talking about how Dr. Seuss's green eggs and ham doesn't specify if
The
Well-
eggs are. The eggs are green, but it never specifies if the ham is green.
I mean the
I
book
would
probably
assume
does.
it is.
But why would you eat green ham? Well, again, why would you eat green eggs? Unless it's color dye. Unless it's food coloring.
Yeah, I think it's food coloring.
But why specifically would you want to color it green?
I don't know. My mother used to put food coloring in our rice.
Your rice.
It wasn't
good.
white enough.
We made green rice and blue rice.
Oh. Did the dye actually have flavor in it?
If it did, I didn't taste it.
Then what makes it different?
It generally doesn't.
It just
but-
changed the color.
So then the rice was just delicious.
Yes.
Not specifically the blue rice.
Yeah, it was just food coloring.
I just love
Yeah.
how mad you got about that, though, Jason. Well, what the hell's the difference?
Next thing you're gonna tell me you guys never tried milk and soda together.
What?
What?
Milk and Coca-Cola?
No.
You made me mess up.
So in other words, you've never had cream soda then before, okay.
I've had cream soda, but
Well, what do you think cream soda is?
I don't fucking-
You are a smartass. I'm going to hurt you.
I don't know how the. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm not gonna ask how that freaking thing just flew through the wall.
Magic. Uh-oh. Ninjas! No, they got baby V-Pac.
What?
That got your attention.
Oh, what? Because I'm Italian, I'm automatically like Mario?
I mean,
No, because you cry like him.
I mean, if the boot fits.
No, I don't.
If the boot fits, make pasta. Son of a taint.
Glick is tanked.
Aha! I'm gonna juke y'all motherfuckers.
Juking. Oh!
My fat ass killed that thing. He loved his fat ass.
He didn't hear the loud clapping of Yoshi's cheeks coming right down on him.
No, it's not that he didn't hear it. It's that he wasn't prepared for the clapping that came from Yoshi's cheeks. It brought out the best and the worst of the booty.
Uh-oh, I think you're stuck. Okay, that's stuck.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Alright, time for the final boss.
Every boss gets killed by the same shit anyways. I love how the Shy Guy's like, huh, this is a nice room.
Yeah, this is a real nice room.
Mhm.
Hey, am I the one that's gonna get it? Wait, what about me?
Huh?
Oh shit!
Oh no. I hope Yoshi doesn't eat me and think that. Oh fuck. I know what you gotta do.
Eh, almost,
Aha.
almost. Here we go. Up, up, up. There's one. There's two, and there's the boss.
Was it?
Ooh.
Hold on. Was it that easy?
It was that easy.
That is so disappointing. I want you to know that is actually really disappointing that that boss was that fucking easy. The mini boss of this world was harder than that thing. All I had to do was push him off to the side.
Well, you know the old saying.
I'm disappointed.
Yeah. Well, that's a perfect way to.
To end the video with disappointment.
Yes.
V, I'm very disappointed in that boss. All I did
Really?
was push him off the edge.
Well,
That's
well,
So in other words, it's that boss from Sonic and Knuckles.
featuring Dante from Devil May Cry.
2 Turbo.
But with that being said, I think this is a good stopping point.
Yeah. Let's end it while I'm still disappointed.
Yes. We hope you all have enjoyed this. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down there. Check out all channels related to the VWU. I've been Downtown Jason Brown. That has been V-Pac, and of course, the woman behind the wheel, the lovely Diana Rose.
I
And we'll
hate
see
everything.
you all. And we'll see you all on the next episode. Bye bye.
Peace.
Kill me.